we'll be talking about significant figures. Okay, so we're going to talk about significant figures now, or sig figs. In a measurement, the number of sig figs include all of the known digits plus one estimated digit. So in this example, the measurement is 6.7. The known digit is a 6. Because we estimated that final digit as a 7, that counts as well. It's all significant, so this number would have two significant figures, or two sig figs for short. In this example, you can see that we now have a more precise ruler. Take a look at where the final estimated digit should be. Are we going to estimate to the 10th place, or are we going to estimate to the 100th place? Hopefully, you can see that because every line that's printed on this ruler is worth 1/10 of a centimeter, then we will estimate to the 100th place. So therefore, because it's exactly on the line, it would not just be 6.7, we get to add a 0. So 6.70 centimeters. Pay special attention to the fact that I had just shown you 6.7 on the previous slide, and now I am showing you 6.70. So in this chemistry class, 6.70 is more precise. How many significant figures is a measurement of 6.70? 3. So this measurement has 3 significant figures. Not 2, it has 3, because we do count that final estimated digit. And now I have to teach you some rules.